Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about Binance crypto trading bots. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So here in your Binance there's such things called as trading bots. So if you're not really in the mood to trade and you don't want to monitor the charts all the time and you want to do something that has never been done before by yourself and you want to automate it, so we have the trading bots which is perfect for you. So here in your Binance the trading bots are pretty simple. So here I'll explain to you how it works. So here in trading bots in Binance it's pretty simple. So first you must have an account as usual. So to have an account, of course, you have to sign up. So I have something for you guys there. So if you want to join Binance right now by signing up with the link in the description below, I'll be leaving one below. So you will get up to 200 USDT limited time trading credit fee reward for just signing up with the description in the link below that I'll be leaving. So let's get right into this. So the first thing I want to show you here when trading is you must have sufficient funds in your wallet. So if you have a fiat currency that you have in your wallet sitting around, you might want to trade that in for USDT. So what is USDT, you may ask? USDT is like the US dollar in the trading world right here in crypto. So you might want to convert that here in your spot and funding. So you want to transfer or perhaps deposit it into your account. You might want to do that before getting into trading and here in your trading bots. So Binance does allow trading bots if you're aware. So it could be profitable and in a few steps in taking orders to set up this type of trading bots. So it will also provide you with API keys to help you connect your exchange account to this other software. So let's get right into this. So to trade here using your trading bots in Binance, all you have to go do is go to your top left corner and then go here, and you might want to change from Binance Lite. So this is Binance Lite right here, and you want to go to Binance Pro. So there you go, we're switching to Binance Pro. So here you will see that this is your interface for that, and you want to go to your top left corner again in your profile, and you want to see look for your recommended. So here in your recommended you will see more services. So in your more services you want to look here and go straight up to trade and just swipe it there, and there you go. Just look for your trading bots and there you go. So here you have your bot list. You have your sideways, your bullish, your bearish, your batches, and other things like that. So you can do spot grid, futures grid, rebalancing bot, spot DCA, auto invest, futures WAP, spot TWAP, and futures VP. So if you're asking what Binance trading bots are, these are automated software that helps you buy and sell cryptocurrencies at the correct time at your desired price. So here for an example, in our bots marketplace, we are going to use our futures grid right here. So you can sort them with your top PNL or top copied or top ROI. So here's your top copied. So you have your WT USDT perpetual with the futures grid and it's neutral. So here it has a runtime of 6 days, 20 hours and 59 minutes. Your minimum investment would be 24.50 USDT and you'll have a PNL of 170.97 US dollars. So if you want to do this and create this, here you will see there's going to be a price range which is already set for you since you're only copying it. So here there's a guide for you. So if you want to go neutral, long or short, here you want to see the price range, the number of grids. So the number of grids is already set since you already have your minimum investment, or perhaps you want to change it up to 75%, 50%, or 100% if you want to go full on right there. So like I have said, you must have funding in your wallet, in your spot and trading before you can do this. So it's not gonna work if it's zero in your balance. So here you have minimum investment of 97.98 in your grid strategy of 66. So here, yeah, I have to pass the first quiz before taking this. So there must be a quiz for you guys too if you're gonna start up with your futures grid, so that Binance knows that you know what you're doing, and just take that quiz. It's pretty simple if you know what you're doing already. So there you go. Here you also have your rebalancing bot. So here in your rebalancing bot, it's a this will show you the AI rebalance and the manual rebalance if you want to. So in rebalancing bot trading, if you want to diversify and add coins to your list, so you want to say you want to add these types of coins and confirm, and there you go. You can see there's a 50% allocation for 1 inch ACH, ACM, and AEVE, and ACA, ADX for this allocation. So as you can see, you must target 100% in allocation before it will work totally. So let's go with our AI rebalance. So here there's top zone, the top zone tokens by market cap across each market zone on Binance. So if you want to use that, you want to create, and as you can see here, there's our allocations. Your BTC has 59%, your Ethereum has 23%, your BNB has 4%, AGX, Sand, LDO, Uni, CHZ, Phil, and DOT, and other things like that. So there's a total investment here. So you want to do 100 or 1,000. So the minimum investment should be more than 1,000 USDT. So it's pretty high. So I hope you know what you're doing. This is only a guide, guys, not a financial advice on how to do bot trading. So perhaps you want to do that and create, and there you go. So there's also sideways, and you have your bullish and your bearish. So you might want to do your research on how to do those. I'm just only giving you the idea on how to use your trading bots here in our Binance. So here I already have shown you the spot grid, futures grid, rebalancing, and other things like that. So if I haven't showed you spot grid, it's a buy low, sell high type of trading strategy. So here you will have to see the minimum investment is 64.19, the PNL is 1.34 US dollars, and the ROI is 1.34% with a runtime of 3 days, 3 hours, and 39 minutes. There's 45 users. You want to create this, and there you go. Like always, like a while ago, if you want to create, just create it right there, and then it will show you in your orders. It will be here in your running orders. So I don't use this account for mainly for trading because I have my main account. So there you go again, guys. That is your bot trading right here in your Binance. You also have your spot DCA. So here in your spot DCA, I want to show you how it works. So there's also a test in spot trading if you don't know, because Binance doesn't know if you're really gonna use this seriously, and you might just be messing around and you don't know what you're doing. So you might want to pass this knowledge test before using this. So here's a tutorial too on how it works if you don't know how. So DCA is a dollar cost averaging. It's a strategy that involves buying an equal amount of assets regularly, so it aims to achieve a better average price for the selected trading pair and reduce the impact of market volatility, guys. So here you have your price deviation. So you might want to set that from 0.2 to 15%, and your take profit right here. So if you want to buy BTC, you must set the price setting, investment, and other things like that. Or you want to do sell BTC. Here in your sell BTC, you have your price, investment also, and that is your spot DCA, guys. And let's wait for it to go back. So there you go. And I have tried trading bots a while back already, and it has made me around 50 US dollars, but it's not that much. It's good already. I invested $16 USDT, and I have made USDT 50 USDT from doing so. So again, guys, just be wise on trading here on Binance. And remember, have fun and be wise, and always have a strategy in doing so. So there you go, guys. That is your trading bots in Binance. I hope you liked this video, and see you again next time. Thank you for watching this video.